How to add USDT to Phantom Wallet. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about adding the USDT to Phantom Wallet. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. On the home page, you will see the coins enabled, including the Solana. Before adding the USDT, ensure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Tap the Browser tab at the bottom right, select the Zipputer option, and click on Connect. Select Solana. Choose Solana in the drop-down menu, tap on Receive, and select USDT. Enter the amount of the Solana to convert and click on Swap. Once swapped successfully, your USDT will be in your Phantom wallet. Tap on Manage Tokens, search for USDT, and toggle it on and view your USDT on the homepage. So if this video has helped, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.